Good afternoon, my dear brothers and sisters. In today's context, I think majority of us, and of course, all of our young people do have Facebook. And it has been part of our system and even itinerary that maybe when we wake up, we always look at our Facebook of what is the latest. What is the latest news? What is the latest posting of our friends? And above all, who are the persons who liked our posting? Most often, we find joy of the many likes of our post in Facebook. The likes would somehow express that they are an expression of appreciation. We want to be appreciated. However, according to our gospel reading today, Jesus said, "I do not accept human praise. Moreover, I know that you do not have the love of God." In other words, we are expected not to wait for praises from our brothers and sisters. Why? Because we cannot please everybody. And that is a reality. Whatever you do, even how good your intentions are, you cannot just please everybody. And every good thing we do it for the Lord. And it is the Jesus who is our reason. We do not wait for the appreciation, the applause, and even the recognitions of those people around us. Because the mere fact that we do good, God seizes our good works. Every time we do good, the Lord consoles us. In what way the Lord consoles us? 3 things. Number 1, the blessings that we have received. Every time we receive blessings, the Lord consoles us. The blessings that we receive express that the Lord is present in our lives. Number 2, the solutions of our problems. I know all of us do have problems of different phases. But even how difficult our problems are, there are always solutions. And if we think that the solutions come from our own making, no. There is always a divine intervention. The Lord always guides us. The Lord always opens doors to our problems. Allow God to surprise you. And number 3, the joys that we encounter. My dear brothers and sisters, the Lord always consoles us with the joys that we experience. Unfortunately, we often focus on the problems that we have. We often focus on the bitterness of our life. We always focus on the sadness that we encounter, forgetting the fact that there are many little joys, there are many ordinary miracles that take place in our lives every minute of the day. In other words, my point here is focus on the little joys that we have. Gagmay nga mga kalipay, nga usahay dili nato ma-appreciate. Pananglitan, nakasimba ta karon, ang uban nakapaniudto na, di ba na angay ikalipay? Ang uban inigmisa, humagmisa, maniudto ta, dili ba ang pagkaon angay na alto na ikalipay? O siguro ang uban excited na kay mo-graduate ang ilang anak, dili ba na nato ikalipay? O siguro ang uban i-interview na sa ilang trabaho, dili ba na angay nato ikalipay? Focus on the little joys that you have. And in that way, we are consoled that the Lord is present in our lives.